Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ambai Carol and I go by Ambai. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a pro crocheter and you're checking out my channel, welcome. This channel is about my crochet journey, sharing what I learned, trying out new patterns, every new stitches I learn, so you don't have to make the mistakes I do. Because let's be honest, if you are a beginner like me, I already knew that I'm gonna be making a lot of mistakes. A little backstory about me. I got into crocheting a while back in 2019, but I was only making earrings. That's how I got into it, because I wanted to make earrings. I love wearing earrings and I saw someone wearing it and I like what they were wearing, so I thought I love earrings, why not get into it? So I did, and I made a whole bunch of earrings. I gave some to my friends, to the family. They love it. I love it. It's like almost every outfit I have, I made an earring for it. But this year I thought, why not get more into it? Because there's so many things. Actually, I didn't know you could make so many things. I only learned about it like recently. That's why I'm so excited. You could make your own clothes. I didn't know that that's a thing. So this year I'm diving head first. And if you're also on your journey, you love to crochet, or you're just starting out like me, you're in the right place. I recently got my hands on this Granny Square book. It has 50 different granny squares in it, so I'm gonna be making a lot of granny squares and I'll be showing it and sharing everything I learned. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna learn. I already started and I made like this two. This is by far my beautiful granny square so far. The ones I have made before is just the regular. So this is gonna be fun. I'll be learning a lot of that and I'll be showing what I learned. There's 50 of them. I got 2 down, so there's 48 more to go in this tiny book. And there's also other squares that I've seen on Amazon that are not in this book, so I'm gonna be buying that and also learning those. So I'm gonna be making a whole lot of granny squares. There's so many cool granny squares in this book. If you are a beginner or just looking for inspiration, I'll be sharing my progress, what I learned so far, tips and tricks that I might learn, small projects you can try, because that's what I'm starting with. I'll be sharing those because I got all these granny squares I made. They're all like this. Let me see. I made all these granny squares because I was gonna make a throw blanket to go over the couch, but I got sidetracked because I was, reading this and just watching what other people can make with crocheting, and I lost track of what I was doing. I put this on hold, so I don't know when I'm gonna finish this one. This to me is like a big project, so I'll be putting this on hold while I go through my granny square book. I gotta put this down. Currently, I like to work with medium weight yarn, and this is what I've been working with. The brands I have: Red Heart, Mainstays, and Big Twist. They are lighter and easy to work with, so that's what I've been using, and I think my favorite is Red Heart. So if you have any recommendations of any favorite brand of yarn that you use, please, I would like to know, so comment below. I'll check those out. If you also have a beginner project that you think that I should try out, please comment that too. I would like to try as many projects, small ones, because I can't finish my throw over blanket yet. So yes, if you have any small projects for a beginner that you think I can try, please comment below, let me know what it is, and maybe post a picture of it so I know what I'm working with, and I'll try it out. So cute. This is my first ever pumpkin that I made, and I love it. I was gonna make a whole bunch of it, but I got carried away, like I said, reading about crochet stitches and all the granny squares and everything else that you can make with crochet, which I really didn't know that you could do. So I got a little sidetracked. But so if you are a beginner or an expert on your own crochet journey, let's learn together. Hit that subscribe button and let's get stitching. Oh, and I would also like to know what is your favorite stitch or pattern. If you're someone who's been doing it for a while, I would like to know what was your favorite beginner project that was easy to do and you really like to do it when you were just starting out. Like, comment below and let me know. If you have any tips for me, please don't hesitate. I would love to hear from you. Any tips, tricks, criticism, it's okay, I guess. I can take it, but I would love to have any tips or tricks. If you have any for me, just comment below. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share all my crochet adventures with you. See you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy crocheting!